Okay, so a quick tour of BuiltRight here. This is our front office area. And this is our warehouse we spend most of our time. This particular position is kind of a do-everything kind of thing. So one day you might be making hardware kits for one of our products, mixing nuts, bolts, washers, that sort of thing into baggies. Another day it might be packaging up our web dominators or carabiners. You might be making rear seat release kits in these boxes. You might be helping me out with shooting some new product photos, generally keeping things organized. We're getting some prototyping equipment here. We got a CNC plasma table, a 20-ton press brake, air compressor. So this area is going to get really fun. Sometimes there's trash to kind of organize and boxes to break down. And then also we do a lot of shipping. So packaging things like this up, putting them into shipping boxes, generating shipping labels, and getting them out the door. So that is kind of a super quick rundown of our warehouse area here, but it kind of gives you an idea of what the job entails. So if you're interested, I'd love to have you send me your resume and cover letter via email to matt@builtrightind.com. Thanks a lot.